26th of October 2022. Rakentajantie begin once they say here in Pitäjänmäki, Rakentajantie, Helsinki, Helsingfors, modernized Finland, by stage 4 persons of 300 victims. Built in 1980, turned 40 years old in 2020, and this is probably from the beginning of 1980. The number is H44199, it's 200, that's pretty interesting. It will be inspected in next year, 2023, there's 2 rides. And we've done, except in the B, we couldn't do it, but otherwise we did 2 rides in each of them. 5 stickers here. This one was actually built in late 1979, it's 1980.
Yeah, but the staircase B was 1980 or...
Yeah, so this is the turn of the 1979, 80.
Yeah.
This is really special, we found it finally.
Yeah.
Alright, so of course it's early 1980 there.
Yeah.
It's late 1979, I was completely correct.
Mm. Institutet på eteenpäin pääkaupunkiseudun hissakeskus.
So of course this one is the most interesting one in the building.
Yeah.
Well, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much. The rest of the steps here from B to E are welcome from the beginning of 1980.
That's